Last week off, but I was actually joining the liners again. Really happy I got one day, first day off. It was a bit tough on the lungs.
ちょっと肺はしんどかったですね。
Really hot.
で暑かったですし。
Struggled a little bit out there, but like I said, it was good to get the first hit out of the way. Hopefully it comes tomorrow. It's feel good. See the boys again. Have a few laughs, hear jokes around. But yeah, to come back and join the liners again.
Yeah.
I've had a few bye weeks, so whenever I had the bye weeks, I had to come down here. But so I met them during those bye weeks. Now we're more comfortable knowing each other now. Our Liners fans, thank you very much for everything you guys have done throughout the year, and
ここまでのサポートありがとうございます。
we love to keep having you guys support.
で
And
また
thank
これ
you
から
very
もサポ
much
ートをお願いします。
for the support week in, week out.
でそれ毎日サポートありがとうございます。